So right here. So if you ever notice that my keyboard is a little bit strange, that's because it's personally customized by me, and it's really nice as well. Now if you click here, right here, you can get a preview of what you're trying to get. So yeah, this is the one that I currently have cancelled. So let's try something like this one. Let's this one and apply, and we have to wait until it installs the theme. Let's see. Okay. It's taking some time than I expected. Okay. Yeah. I don't specifically like it because I think it's too bright for my liking. But yeah, hey, you can now know. And there's 3 tabs down below. And if you go to effects, you can change. Oh, this is new, I believe. This wasn't here last time I checked. So yeah, that's really cool. These are also cool as well. Really involving and stuff. No, this wasn't there last time as well. So I think I've got to check this. So, yeah, we have key motion effects and the color effect. Yeah, these things are cool. Yeah, these things are cool. I'm definitely gonna check things out more a little bit. And yeah, things are looking great right here. And if you go to sound, this is my favorite part. So if I go, yeah, I need to increase the system volume for this. So this, sorry. If I go to system sound, I don't know if you can hear that. Wait one second, I need to increase it further. Right. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's really good. And I have it on system is the default one. I have this on calm, I believe. Yeah, it's really good. And the one I used to have it is the retro one. It sounds like a typewriter. It's really good as well. I really love it. And that now, as you saw, that I have this type of thing in my recent step, but it wasn't the one that I was actually using for all this time, because until today I was using, if you go to good luck, and if you go to, I think, yeah, home up, you find these things. And if you go to task changer, I've been using this grid mode, no, not the grid mode, basically this mode all this time. And that will basically, yeah, like that animation is so cool. I can't like get it out of my mind. That's like half circular thing going around with it's like really cool animated, and yeah, there's so much things so cool. I really love it. And but you can have like the slim list. This is not very useful in my opinion, but this stack, the stack thing is that I have on the stream 1FE, and the grid thing is I think is the most useful for the people who are power hungry or have a lot of work to do and are planning to multitask. This will really help, giving us more detailed window of it. But I prefer vertical thing. And you also have a few more things to stop, like you can have the search bar or note if you want, and you can have the recommended apps are these 4 apps that just show up all the time, so you can actually turn it off, and now they're just gone. So yeah, I like to keep them and allow bottom blah blah blah. You can have them as well. And there are a few other stuff right here, pop-up folder. These are not much useful, so I'm not gonna go on them. You can have your own experience with good luck and One UI. And the last thing, and the thing that has changed my life for the most part, and the last thing and the thing that have changed my entire life, the way I use my smartphone, is something called one hand plus operation. Now it's, I think, in life up, and it actually just pulls my life ahead. And if you go to one hand plus operation, there are these 2 bars right here, the blue bars, and in real life they are not visible, right? So right here they are not visible. So, and these are called handles, right? So they have left and right handles, and what they allow you to do is you can like see the arrow right here. So I have customized to, so when you pull it back to change the volume, and this is really helpful as well because you don't need to manually press the buttons, and that will also help in reducing the wear and tear of your physical buttons as well. And we have left channel, which is this left one, and if you click on that, there are these options straight right. This is short swipe. Wait, 1 second. Okay, this is just this is routine as well, so I've set to 1 p.m. to make the brightness dimmer. I've showed you guys previously that routine, so that routine is currently going on right now because it's 1 p.m. in the dark and I'm filming YouTube videos, whatever. So if you do a short swipe right, I have made it to come to that Google Assistant, as you can see here, and dial up is a screenshot.
Mobile data is turned off. You'll have to turn on Wi-Fi and connect to a network first.
I didn't expect that. I didn't plan that. Sorry. Yeah, and it dial down will be opening the torch, and if I this is very handy because if I like pull this up, if you follow me on TikTok, or even if you watch YouTube series shorts, or if you watch my Instagram reels, which is very popular right there, I put a lot of 100 times zoom videos on this phone, and to capture the moment at 100 times, I need to be able to quickly screen record the thing. So I just swipe from the left a little bit, and this screen recording thing appears, and this is like really game changing. So yeah, that's why I said this app is really useful. And you can not only that, you can add the touch wheel. So this is the main reason why I don't use the edge panel, so that's why I said to turn off the edge panel at the beginning. So this is like really good as well, and because this is a curved display, this is much fitting to this, and the position is, you can change the position, everything. This is really great. And we have even advanced options, so you can fiddle around with them, just the settings and stuff. This app is like literally game changing. So if I go right handle, I don't use the right handle as much, to be honest, but I do use it to change my music, because I'm like kind of lazy to go up here and change my music stuff. So I just pull up from the left side, and I can change my music right here and pause it, and have a few options right here. And if I click that, it will automatically bring that down. So, and also I use this feature to build the voice record app. This is very helpful and important in my life, because there's so many moments that I want to screen record, because I personally do sing songs at times, and I want to record parts of it so as quickly as possible. So this is like a game changer for me. And yeah, one hand plus operation definitely a must have. What did I turn off? Yeah, definitely a must have, in my opinion. And there are many things you could go in, like multi-star, improve multi-window. If you are using multi-window, then this is like the game-changing app for you. I am using it, but not to extent that I am like productivity focused based on multi-windows, because multi-window is great, I really love it, but the screen is not, I don't think it's big enough to handle something like that. So yeah, it's not for me. But you have sound assistant and stuff, so if you go to sound assistance, you can control blah blah, like every single thing you ever wanted. And I have adjusted it to be on 6. It is defaultly on 10. I've made it to be on 6 or 5. So I can precisely adjust my music volume according to my thoughts and stuff. So, and you can like voice changer, multi-sound, blah blah blah, a lot of cool stuff. Register is something that is also really important, because when you tap the phone on the back 2 or 3 times, you can make it to happen in any extent of your liking. And camera is obviously very important if you're a camera focused mobile photographer like me. Must have. And edge touch and blah blah blah, routines plus giving you a little bit of more flexibility with routines. Light shot is a screenshot thing. You can add a dustbin or recycled trash can to a screenshot itself. So like when you take a screenshot, you will have that dustbin icon right here there, so you can like delete it when you take it if you want to. And this a lot of cool stuff with good luck and stuff. But I think this video is pretty long already, and I hope that you have got a new idea of what this now looks comparing to what it was used to be. And yeah, I am real thankful that you stuck until this moment with me, because I'm like currently all of everyone at my house is asleep and I was awake all this time just to give you guys this video. So I'm really thankful for anyone who's watching until the end, and yeah, I appreciate it. And subscribe and like if you enjoy this kind of content. See you in the next one. Peace.